Okay, day 3. I have all of the pipes along the front of the house, kitchen sink line, hall bathroom, laundry, and the rest of the front bathroom all demoed out. A little bit of chipping to do on the concrete here to get this pipe exposed a little better so I can make a good connection to it. This one's good, and that one is good. A little bit of work to do back there. Tomorrow I'll be working on that, and then hopefully second half of the day tomorrow I'll be running new pipe. And hopefully by Saturday I will have all of this piped in. That's the plan.